Microsoft Edge allows you to create web applications for the websites you most frequently use. Now, I use this for a few websites I access on a daily basis that don't have any applications. This allows me to open up the pages directly from my desktop without having the need to open up a web browser first, saving me time and increasing my overall productivity.
To create a new web application, open up a website, navigate to the ellipsis on the upper right hand corner, select apps, and then install this site as an app. You can then modify the name and click install. The website will then close after completing the installation and open in a new window. You can also allow this app to be pinned to the taskbar, to be pinned to the start menu, create a desktop shortcut, or automatically start when the device logs in. Select the settings you want and click allow. To uninstall any web app, simply navigate to the ellipsis on the top right hand corner, select apps, then select manage apps. Navigate to the ellipsis of the application you wish to uninstall and click uninstall. Then click remove to confirm the changes. And that's it.